Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for a Germany study visa. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So whatever I show in this video is with the intention just to show you how to navigate through a service with no legal advice. And if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, we'll begin with the official visa navigator of Germany government. So like, let's say you are going there to study, okay? So definitely that comes under long-term stay. So we're gonna quick check. We'll go through this visa navigator. So let's say for the purpose, like, you need to select based on the country, okay? Based on your situation, like this for this question. So I just select, let's say I'm doing it for someone from India, so that's why I did this, but you need to do as per your case. What do you want to do? I select study. Have you been admitted? Yes. Okay. Now if you wish to study in Germany and you are already admitted to university, be it direct, okay, you can apply for study visa if you can prove you have enough money to support yourself. Okay. How to get a residence permit after arrival over there? General requirement: passport, biometric passport photo, filled in application form, proof that you can cover your expenses, okay? So they have given the list also. Check the site of the embassy or consulate in your country yourself for additional requirements in your country. Complete and print out the application form using this. Bring application form along with supported document to your appointment after approval from, okay, fine. So let's open this link as well. We will see like if there is anything that we need to do it. So let's say you need to always do it for the country as per your country. So in this case I am doing India. Okay. So if I go for visa and service, visa information, if I go, if I go for visa navigator, is it gonna take me to the same page? Yeah. Yeah. So it is again going back over there. So this link is not for me now. Visa FAQ. What is the FAQ? Okay, there are so many frequently asked questions. If I go back, India, so this is India, okay, fine. German missions in India, if I go, embassy Delhi, consulate Kolkata. So if I see this, so we have a website, this German mission in India, okay, fine. If I go to services, do I have any option to book an appointment? That's important. Let me search it out for you. I found the information. So for Indian going to Germany, if you select German national visa, if you scroll down, you have a checklist for student visa as well. So this is what you need: application form and declaration in accordance, valid passport, copy of passport data page, statement of purpose, motivation letter, proof of admission, proof of language skills and requirements also, certificate of other academic qualification, original and 2 copies, CV, proof of financial means, and what are the things that are required, and visa fee. Okay, travel health insurance valid on arrival. Okay, perfect. So now we'll go for the application form. Okay, and this application form is like 1 2 3 4 4 pages, and declaration, okay, and declare for additional contact and legal representation. Okay, so this is if you have a representative, so that's not applicable in every case. So again, going back to the checklist, okay, and so we have a form here and we have a form here as well. Let's see if both the same or not. So this is for photo, okay, name first, family name, okay, section, spouse, information of children, family information first, you've been to Germany before, okay. So if I see here, name, family name, okay, I can make it to English, that's important. Family name, okay, applicant, occupation, contact, identification, travel data, so these are the same thing, okay. And here, so like personal data, contact data, identification for travel data, reference, means of support. What do we have over here? Personal data, travel data, place of stay, family, company reference. Yeah, it is same. So for Indian nationals they have made this form, so both it are same, and you need to of course like signature, date and place, that you got to do, so that's fine. So for the purpose, because like for the purpose of this video, I'm filling up this generic online form. Ultimately it's gonna, like after you save and download it, it's gonna come in this format, but for the purpose of this video I'm gonna do in this way. Alright, so the first section is personal data. So it is pretty simple. You have mandatory fields already emboldened. So I'm going to put some sample data in this applicant's personal data section. So I have done this. If you select yes that you have children, it will ask for the children. So some of you might have noticed in the other form children was present but not here, so that's the reason. Okay, so parents of the applicant, again I'm going to provide some sample information. After personal data it comes like occupation, so just sample, and for the purpose of this sample video I am filling up only the mandatory fields, but when you do, I would suggest that you fill all the fields that you can with truthful and correct information. Contact data, again I am going to put some sample. Next come identification paper, very simple, so I am going to put the sample information. Now comes travel data, purpose of stay, and guys, whatever data I fill in these forms all are sample and do not belong to any real person. Person of stay in the Federal Republic of Germany, purpose of stay, so in this case I take study, intended duration, so let's say to whatever reference, type of reference, okay. Again I am going to put some sample over here. Then your means of support that you need to provide information. I'm going to put some sample. Then these are all the sample, just don't go by it. I'm going to put some sample, and then at the declaration, have you ever been convicted? I select no, but whatever is applicable you need to select. So I'll fill some sample and then I'll click on continue. Until you fill all the mandatory fields, this continue button is not going to be enabled. It is taking more than expected time, but it happens sometimes due to system error. Basically what happens in the next section, it asks you to verify the information and some check boxes to confirm. Once you do that, it generates a form, a printable form in this format, so that you can do. So what it is saying that okay, let's go back to the checklist. So declaration again. So what is the declaration? This is fine. Additional contact and legal so CV, proof of admission, proof of language skills, certificate of other academic qualification wherever available, proof of financial means, confirmation stipend, scholarship, whatever is applicable, or blocked account for the first year for your stay amounting to this much euro. Okay. And you and they have also given that when applying for visa, you can provide evidence that you are able to meet your living cost by opening a blocked bank account. Okay. And you cannot withdraw more than this much euros per month from a blocked account. This is applicable from this date. Okay. Wherever have a confirmation of payment of first 2 semesters of tuition fee, 3 passport pictures including. Okay. Visa fee of 75 euro in INR, travel insurance valid on arrival in Germany. Okay. Please prepare 2 identical application sets with above mentioned documents and bring your original certificate as well. Okay. German missions reserve the right to ask for additional documents. Okay. Submission of those documents does not guarantee. That's fine. Okay. So they have given the services. Fine. Let's go back here. So one is like checklist or biometric photo application form. Yes, schedule an appointment. So we have gone through this biometric photo requirement, application form, additional contact, and this is fine. Okay. Okay, so as I was telling you before, if you click this link, this will be like pointing to the same I shared with you earlier. Here you can fill, or you can also print and fill this version as well. Fine. Anyway, I have shown you how to do this, so that's perfect. Declaration. Okay. In case family name, we will not go for this. Schedule an appointment. Please schedule an appointment for a visa interview at competent German mission application center. Please make sure you arrive on time. Okay. Appointments can only be booked via VFS or the embassy consulate depending on visa. Please beware of fraudulent offers. Okay. For third party. So as of now from India, this is what the fees. Following mode of payment of visa fee. City. Okay. So only in Delhi you can pay by cash. In all other places by you gotta pay by demand draft. And this is in favor of perfect. So they have written like okay, now when it comes to booking appointment, they have not given any link over here. Let me see if I can find out for you. So I was able to find it out, as they have written in their checklist that it has to be done via VFS or the embassy consulate. So at VFS I have found this, that how you can do, and you can see in the URL DU, this is for Germany. You can create the account and from there you can proceed. So now this step is also clear to you guys. Okay, so what I did, I went to the consular section and there I selected Delhi. So here they have given the information that in order to book appointment over there, we can use this link, but at the same time they have given for VFS also. So for VFS we have already gone through the information. So This is fine. Now for consular section, so what they have written, Jammu and Delhi welcomes you to online appointment booking setup. Fine. In order to request consular service, you need prior appointment. Okay. For appointment for most such services such as passport, ID card, birth and marriage certificate, attestation, signature as well as consular certificate can be booked online. For all other consular services except for visa appointments that have to be scheduled via provider, you can request to contact the embassy. It's contact this way. Okay. So for visa appointments that have to be scheduled via VFS, so then you have to go through VFS. I mean based on the area and the consulate. So now I think you have got the idea. So this was for Delhi. Let's see if I can go for any other visa office and what they say. So let's say I go for Kolkata. What they have given. Okay, so important information regarding processing of family reunion visa. Okay, fine. Applicants seek to obtain a visa family to will submit the application at Consulate General. More application here. Okay, it's again going back to this link. Consular services. Please note that appointment letter services, for example German passport, can only be scheduled by email and phone calls. Okay. Fine. And for visa queries, it will not be answered for this email address. Fine. So as I have walked you through enough, like based on the office and area that you are, you need to go and find out where exactly it can be submitted. It's easy. You just need to read, and that's how you can proceed with it. So I hope you like my efforts. Thanks for watching this video.